Okay, today is June 25th, 2026, and it has been a long time since I've done any video on mini systems. So I just started some peppers here that I crossed, and hopefully they'll come out good. And then I love Buc-ee's. If you live in Texas, you know what Buc-ee's is. And they have these really cool containers or bucket right here, the mini ones. And so that's what I'm gonna use to grow one of these plants here. So right now I need to drill some holes and get it going. So let me go ahead and get the holes drilled, and then I'm gonna put soil in here, and then we're gonna take one of the plants in there and move it over here. And as usual, the bottom is gonna have holes right here. We're gonna use a double bucket system there, and there's a gap right here that I will be feeding nutrients into there as the plants grow and get roots down to here. And I will put it in the arrow garden spot right there. I'm gonna take that aloe away and I will place this one there. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, I just use a drill bit and I drill all of these holes in there. It's pretty easy to do, so I don't need to show the process. So now I'm gonna fill this up and get the soil ready. Okay, so the soil I use is this here, and the reason I like to use this is because they usually keep this very enclosed and inside, so there's not gonna be any bugs in here. So when you grow things inside, you have to always be careful to pick the soil that may not get bugs. That way it's not gonna be in the house flying everywhere. Okay, we are all done. So I took the plant out of here. So I just took a spoon and I dug down and then pull it up. And there it is right there. So now, don't forget to label. And then we're just gonna let it sit there, and then we'll check back once there's progress. Okay, here we are 7 days later exactly, and the plants are doing well. These here, I'm going to divide them pretty soon. This one here, I already divided, and there is the bucket that we're using to grow this plant, and it came from here. There's already progress, and it's looking so good, so we'll be back soon. Okay, we are now 34 days in, and man, the plants are looking beautiful. So this one here, I moved all of the extra plants out, leaving just one, and that one there is the one we moved initially, and it is looking really nice. Look at the leaves, very nice and healthy, and we have lots of flowers. Same with this. Let me take it out so you can see. You see? So we have, oh, look at that cool heart-shaped leaf. And then there's some flowers there. And man, it just looks so nice. Very, very healthy plant. And then this one here, I left it here for testing to show how algae can affect growth. And this one here is the same age as the rest of them. But that's what it looks like in 34 days. Okay, we are now 49 days in, and these plants are looking beautiful. We have peppers right there, and there's a few back there, and there's flowers here that are starting to form, so those should become fruits very soon. But the plants are doing great. They're looking beautiful. Same on this side. See, we have some peppers right there. And man, the plants are just looking beautiful. So 49 days in, and this is what the plants look like. Grown indoors, even in small containers like this. They can grow very, very nice and big. Look at that. And this is just a little container. So it's a really fun project. You can try it, and in very short time you get peppers of your own. And this is actually one of the ways that I use to crossbreed and also to hybridize and speed up the generations. Okay, I realized I did not go over the feeding routine. So this is what I feed it. I have a gallon container, and I mix my hydroponic nutrients. And the mix is very simple. Whatever you want to use, it's, you can just keep it simple. So let me show you what I mix. Okay, so I found in my hydroponic closet these really old Hydro series. Man, I think these are like easily over 3, 4, 5 years old. I forgot. But it was in the Hydro closet, and I was like, wow, I still have this, so I might as well use it. So anyway, these are what I use. 5 milliliter of each, and all I do is I take this little dropper here, mix it into water. I don't even pH or anything. I just put water into here, and then I go micro, grow, and bloom. 5 milliliter of each. I may change it up a little bit. I might get more of these now because it's blooming. But so far up to this point, I've used the same mix. And amazingly, I've only used 2 gallons up to this point. That is just so crazy. If you grow these outside, I mean, the amount of water you probably wasted is way more than 2 gallons. But again, it's been 2 gallons up to this point, and all I do here is I take my container and I just, like this, every day, I just pour it in here. The excess will go down into the reservoir at the bottom because this is a double cup. And that's basically all you're gonna do. You don't want to overwater to the point where the reservoir is full, and then also, the soil is too crazy wet because it's full, then you can drown the plants. So just water enough so that it can drain into the reservoir, but don't fill it past that line that I showed, that line down there at the bottom. That way the roots can still go in there and get it, and then the top layer can still breathe. If you drown the plants and fill all the water all the way up to here, your plant's not gonna do well. It's gonna probably just die eventually. So it's very simple, and that's it. And if you choose to use the Dyna-Grow series, there's a Dyna-Grow and Dyna-Bloom. It's the same thing. 5 milliliter of grow, 5 milliliter of bloom, and then just water it. And then once the plants are flowering, you can actually boost the bloom a little bit more, maybe 10 milliliter, but you can just keep the same formula if you like. So test around and see what works best for you, but that's as simple as it is. Just 5 milliliter of each, and then you just water the plants every day when it is this size. When it's smaller, you actually don't have to water every day because it didn't take enough. I mean, it didn't take up the water too much. But at this point right now, like the size right now, I do it every day. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.